Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a very serious issue that's been affecting a lot of Mobile Legends players lately, the Moonton account ban scam, how people are falling for it, and most importantly, how you can actually fix the situation if it happens to you. Many players believe their account was suddenly and unfairly banned by Moonton, but in most cases, what really happened is something very different. This video is meant to help you understand the scam clearly so you don't make the same mistake. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's clear up one important thing first. Moonton does not provide customer support on Telegram, WhatsApp, or private Discord messages. If someone contacts you claiming to be Moonton support on Telegram, even if they have a verified badge, that is a scam. Telegram verification can be bought, and scammers know how to look official. This is where many players go wrong. The scam usually starts when someone thinks their account is being hacked or accessed from another location. They panic and search online for help, and that's when they find fake support accounts. These scammers act very convincing and respond quickly, which already should be a warning sign. They may tell you that your account is at risk and that they will help secure it. To do this, they often provide what they call a temporary account and ask you to log in. Here's the trick. The moment you log into that so-called temporary account, you're actually switching accounts and giving the scammer the chance to bind your real Moonton account to their own email. Once that happens, they control the account. Sometimes the account you're logging into is already banned, which makes you think your original account was banned by Moonton. In reality, your real account has either been stolen or is being misused. Some scammers even go further and use cheats or plugins on the stolen account. When Moonton's system detects unfair play, it automatically issues a ban. Later, when the original owner tries to recover the account, they see a ban notice and assume Moonton banned them for no reason. This is why so many people say, "I got banned for doing nothing wrong." Now, let's briefly talk about the kind of websites often linked with these scams. These websites usually claim they offer products you might like and use, such as homes, clothing, accessories, or other random items, all presented as part of their store. In reality, these sites are often used to gain trust, collect personal details, or redirect users toward fake support channels. The biggest red flag here is simple. Moonton will never ask you to switch accounts, share login details, or bind your account through a third party. They will also never block you for asking questions. Official support is slow, formal, and handled inside the game or through the official recovery page only. So, how do you fix this if it already happened? The only real solution is to contact official Moonton customer support through the in-game help center or the official account recovery page. You may need to create a new account just to contact support. Be ready to prove ownership by providing details like your first top-up receipt, account creation date, devices used, favorite heroes, and rank history. Without proof, recovery is almost impossible. To wrap this up, this is not a random Moonton ban issue. This is an account theft scam that tricks players into handing over access. The best defense is awareness. Never trust support on Telegram. Never log in to temporary accounts, and always use official in-game channels only. If this video helped you understand what's really going on, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so more players don't fall into the same trap. Stay